In the year 900 AD, the Maya civilization faced significant challenges that led them to abandon their urban centers, burying their cities beneath layers of earth and greenery as they sought refuge in the surrounding wilderness. As droughts swept through the region, agricultural practices faltered, and the once bustling cities became ghost towns, compelling the Maya to turn inward and seek solace in their rich spiritual traditions. Amidst the hardships, families migrated deeper into the jungle in search of sustenance, their hearts heavy with the memories of their once vibrant cities as they forged a new path forward. In this new chapter, the Maya adjusted their way of life, establishing smaller, more sustainable communities that thrived in harmony with the surrounding ecosystem, laying the groundwork for future generations. As time passed, the Maya embraced their altered existence, nurturing their culture and traditions while adapting to the land that now cradled them, ensuring the legacy of their ancestors endured. Centuries later, modern archaeologists embarked on a quest to unearth these hidden relics, unlocking the secrets of the Maya civilization as they meticulously excavated deep within the earth. These remarkable findings not only captivated the world, but also reshaped our understanding of Maya society, shedding light on their achievements, rituals, and the reasons behind their enigmatic disappearance. Through collaborations between researchers and local communities, the stories of the Maya began to resonate anew as traditions were revived and cultural heritage celebrated, bridging the gap between past and present. In schools across the region, the spirit of the Maya thrived once more as educators instilled a sense of pride in their young students, encouraging them to cherish their heritage while embracing their role as custodians of history. As the world began to appreciate the richness of Maya history, visitors flocked to these archaeological sites, fostering a newfound respect for the resilience and ingenuity of a civilization that continues to inspire generations.